Hello students, now our next topic is vertical multiplication. So in that the method 1 is given, multiply horizontally. Horizontally means this way, 9 multiplied by 5. So 9 stable up to 5. So 9 5s are 45, or 7 multiplied by 3 is 7 3s are 21. Or method 2 is what? By arranging in the place value chart or multiplying vertically. This vertically we have to multiply. So 9 multiplied by 5. So how now we have to arrange that number, see, vertically. So 9 multiplied by 5. We have drawn here place value chart, ones and tens columns, and now we'll do multiplication. So 5 nines are 45. So 5 and next number will give carry over to its next. So 4, as no number is there, so we'll bring down 4 as it is. So we can't write two numbers in the same place or the same box. Next is 7 multiplied by 3. So we have to count table of 3 up to 7. So 3 sevens are. So 3 sevens are 21. So we'll write 1 and we'll give 2 carry over to its next. And as nothing is there, so we'll bring down 2 as it is. So number is become 21. So this is how we have to do the vertical multiplication. So next is exercise 1.3. First write the product. So product means multiplication only. Alternative name of multiplication is product. So first 5 multiplied by 7. So 5 sevens are 35. So you will write here 35. Next 3 multiplied by 8. So 3 8s are 24. So 24. See, 6 multiplied by 6. 6 6 are 36. So I hope you can find out this rest of the multiplication. Question number 2 will see. Question number 2, multiply the following. So first 4 multiplied by 7. So we'll count the table of 7 up to 4. So 7 4s are 28. So we'll write 28. So 28 8 and carry over 2 to its next. As nothing is there, so we'll bring down 2 as it is. So number is become 28. B, 6 multiplied by 6. So 6, we have to count table of 6 up to 6. So 6 6 are 36. So 6 unit place number will write at the answer place, and tens place will give carry over to its next. So nothing is there, so we'll write 3 as it is. So 3 6 36 is your answer. Next is 8 multiplied by 5. So we have to count the table of 5 up to its 8th place. So 5 8s are 40. So we'll write 0 in our answer place and give 4 to carry over. But nothing is there, so we'll write 4 as it is. So this is the 40. Now next is our next topic is multiplication of a 2-digit number by a 1-digit number. In that, first is without regrouping. So example is given, multiply 23 by 2. So first we'll understand this sum, 23 multiplied by 2. So as 3 is on ones place, so ones place, 2 is on tens place, so tens, and 2 is a 1-digit number or on the ones place, so we'll write 2 on the ones place. So now we'll multiply this downside number with all above number or the upside numbers. So we have to starting with ones place only. So 2 3s are 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. We have to multiply from ones place. We have to start the multiplication from ones place only. So 46 is our answer. Now we'll start our exercise 1.4. First, 22 multiplied by 2. We'll start from ones place. So we'll multiply 2 by 22. So starting from ones column, 2 multiplied by 2. 2 2s are 4 and 2 2s are 4. We'll multiply downside number with all above or the upside numbers. B, 13 multiplied by 3. Starting from ones column, 3 multiplied by 3, 3 3s are 9. Now Time to multiply 1 by 3. So 3 ones are 3. So answer is 39. Now next is 12 multiplied by 2. So we have to, starting with ones column, 2 multiplied by 2, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. Now next is D, 24 multiplied by 2. So 2 4s are, starting from ones column. So 2 4s are 8. Now 2 multiplied by 2. So 2 2s are 4. So answer is 48. Now next is 32 multiplied by 3. So starting from ones column, 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. So answer is 96. F, 44 multiplied by 2, starting from ones column. So we'll multiply 2 by 4 first. So 2 4s are 8 and 2 4s are again 8. So answer is 88. This is without regrouping we have solved the multiplication. Now with regrouping. Now with regrouping means with carryovers. Now example is multiply 24 by 3. So this understand first. 24 multiplied by 3. So starting from ones column, 3 4s are. So 3 4s are 12. But we can't write 2 digit in the same column, right? So we'll write 2 in the answer place and we'll give 1 to the carryover. Now next is 3 2s are 6. 6 plus we have to add this carryover in the answer. So 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So your answer is 72. You have to add the carryovers in the multiplication answer. So answer is 72 here. Now next is 52 multiplied by 6. 52 multiplied by 6. As 2 is on ones place, so 2 is on ones. 5 is on tens, so 5 is on tens. As a 6 is one digit number or on its ones place, so we'll write on ones place. Now we'll multiply 52 by multiplied by 6. So starting from ones column, 6 2s are 12. So 2 will write in answer place and 1 will give carryover to its next. Now next is 6 multiplied by 5. So 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 1 carryover is 31. So we'll write 1 in the answer place and we'll give 3 as a carryover to its next. Now next is nothing, so we'll write 3 as it is in the answer place. So answer is what? 312. This is our answer. Now next is our exercise 1.5. So in that the first is given 29 multiplied by 8. So we'll count the table of 8 to 9. Starting from ones column, 8 to table of 8 up to 9th place. So 8 9s are 72. So we'll write 2 in the answer place and we'll give 7 as a carryover to its next number. So now next 8 2s are, we'll multiply 8 by 2. So 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 7. So count 16, 7 after 16. So after 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So 23. So we'll write 3 in the answer place and we'll give 2 as a carryover to its next. So no number is there, so we'll bring down 2 as it is. So what is the answer? 232 is our answer. Next is 37 multiplied by 7. Starting from ones column, 7 stable up to 7th place. 7 7s are 49. So 49 will write 9 in the answer place and will give 4 carryover to its next. Now 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 4 is 21 plus 4. Count 4 after 21. After 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So 25 is your answer. So 5 will write in the answer place and will give 2 as a carryover to its next. Now no number is there, so we'll bring down 2 to the answer place. So what is our answer? 259. Now next is 83 multiplied by 5. So count the table of starting from 1's place. Table of 5 up to 3. 5 3s are 15. So 15. 5 will write in the answer place and 1 is a carryover. 5 8s are 40. 40 plus 1 is 41. So 1 and 4 carry over to its next. And no number is there, so we'll bring down 4 as downside. So answer is 415. Now next is 63 multiplied by 4. So starting from 1's column, 4 3s are 12. So we'll write 2 answer place and 1 carry over to its next. 4 6 are 24. 24 plus 1 is 25. So we'll write 5 in the answer place and give 2 as a carryover. Now no number is left there, so we'll bring down 2. So answer is 252. So I hope you understand this. So you can solve this rest of the sum.